Hello again, this is Jared Severe, and I am here today to share with you some more basics of building your web page. And this is series number 3. And so far what we've accomplished is we've gotten our domain name, we've gotten hosting, we have changed our name server information, and we also have some sort of FTP client. We also downloaded WordPress. Now, the next step, and a very critical step, and actually the step that most people get stuck on, is we have to modify one of the files within WordPress. Now, if you do host with HostGator or Bluehost and some of the other ones out there, this is actually all taken care of for you. However, if you didn't use them as your hosting company, let me show you a simple way to change this file. This file is called your WP config file. And now let me just show you where it's at here. So if we open up our WordPress files or folder and then the files within WordPress, we'll see here all the different files that WordPress has that we have to install or upload. So what we're going to do is there's a file called WP config, and if you'll see here, this is the sample. Okay, WP config sample.php. Right now there is no WP config file. That is something that we have to create. So what we're going to do is we're going to open this file with our editor. If you're using Windows, more than likely your text editing program is going to be Notepad. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the WP config sample file. You're going to do a right click. You're going to do open with, and then you're going to click on Notepad. As soon as you click up Notepad, this might look confusing to you, but this is where you're going to actually change your config file. And the main area that you're concerned with is right here. Database name, database user, database password. Don't worry about your host and the other things, but these are the 3 main ones: username, password, and your database name. So what you've got to do is you've got to go into your MySQL database and configure those settings. So wherever you're hosting your company, go ahead and log in to your host. So I'm going to go ahead and log into mine. Now, once you've logged into your hosting company, you're going to want to go find the control panel. Now, once you've found your control panel, you're looking for the database. So right here, I'm going to click on the database, then I'm going to click on the MySQL database. Now, when you get here, it's going to ask you to create a database. So go ahead and click on the button there that says Create Database. And again, if you're not hosting with this particular place, that's fine, because they're all very similar. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to give it a description. Now the description has to be everything together. It contain only letters and numbers, okay, for the username. But the description, let's just give it a description of your website blog, if you will. Okay, your username contains letters and numbers. So let's do, again, foreclosure data all together. Give it a good strong password there. Your password must contain at least one uppercase letter. So then you hit OK. Now this is where it's important. This is your database name, that's your description, and then it's pending setup right now. It doesn't take very long to set it up. But then you're going to go back here. It's going to ask you for your database name. You're going to put your database name here. So in this case, database name is foreclosure data. Your username for this particular example, it just so happened to be the same. And then now your password. You want to put that right there. Once you've got that, go ahead and click on File. Click on File, Save As. And this file you're actually going to just delete on the where it asks for the file name. You're just going to delete sample. So wp-config.php. And then you will want to save that. Go ahead and save that in your WordPress folder. So I hit save. And now, once we've done that, we are now ready to go ahead and upload our file.